Are you feeling more tired than usual, as if your energy is slowly slipping away? It's something many people experience, especially as we age, but don't always notice. This fatigue can often be the result of lifestyle choices and hidden factors that we overlook. Did you know that a simple drink could help reverse some of the effects of aging and restore your energy? Imagine waking up every morning feeling revitalized and ready to take on the day. Sounds incredible, right? Picture this. You've been dragging through your days, feeling sluggish, and finding it harder to stay energized. But what if there was something easy and natural you could do to help your body feel young again? The right drink can do wonders for your energy levels, and I'm about to reveal it. By the end of this video, you'll learn which drink is known for reversing aging and boosting energy, something you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. It's not just about feeling better in the moment. It's about making a change that could transform your health. So stick with me until the end, because this is a simple step that could make a world of difference in how you feel every day. Number 3. Let's start with something simple yet powerful. Warm lemon water. You've probably heard about it before, but it's worth exploring its benefits. This drink is known for its ability to detoxify the body and improve digestion. Warm water with lemon stimulates your digestive system, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. The acidity of lemon helps to kickstart the liver, encouraging the detox process. It also has vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and fights off free radicals. Imagine waking up in the morning, feeling sluggish and heavy, but after drinking this, you start to feel lighter. It can help reduce bloating and improve your skin by flushing out toxins. Many people report that drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning gives them more energy throughout the day. However, if you don't drink enough water throughout the day, you may not get all of its benefits. It's not just about drinking it once. Consistency is key for optimal results. If you tend to feel sluggish, bloated, or have digestive issues, this could be a game changer. Over time, it can also support healthy weight management by boosting your metabolism. But if you don't prioritize hydration, even the best ingredients can't work their magic. With regular use, it helps maintain healthy pH levels in your body, improving overall well-being. It's a great way to kickstart your morning routine and prepare your body for the day ahead. Have you ever felt more energized after making a simple change like this? Have you noticed how little habits like this can make a big difference? Imagine how adding just one simple step to your routine can start transforming your health. Even something as small as a glass of warm lemon water can shift your daily energy levels. Let's see what's next, because you might be surprised by another drink that can help restore your energy and health. If this content is helping you in any way, show your support, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like. Number 2. Now, let's talk about another powerhouse drink, carrot and orange juice. You may already know that carrots are full of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin. But what if I told you that combining carrots with orange juice can enhance its benefits even more? Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps repair tissues. Together, these two ingredients create a synergy that nourishes your body from the inside out. The combination of beta-carotene from carrots and vitamin C from oranges helps fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation. Think of it like this. You're sipping on a drink that not only refreshes you, but also supports your overall health. It's a fantastic way to get a healthy dose of antioxidants, which are vital for slowing down aging. Picture yourself enjoying this drink after a long, tiring day and feeling your energy levels soar. When you drink this regularly, it can help improve your skin tone, boost your metabolism, and even support your heart health. But just like any health habit, consistency matters here too. You may not feel the effects immediately, but over time, this drink can help maintain your body's natural balance. Have you ever noticed how your skin looks a little dull when you're not eating enough nutrients? With this drink, you're giving your body the essential vitamins it craves. If you tend to feel tired or sluggish, this could be your secret weapon to boosting vitality. When you make this drink a part of your daily routine, you're not just nourishing your body. You're preventing future health problems. This is one of those small changes that can lead to a big difference in your overall wellness. The beauty of this drink is that it's simple, effective, and easy to make. Imagine how much better you'll feel with just a few sips of this powerful combination every day. So, how much of this antioxidant-packed juice are you willing to add to your daily routine? And if you thought this was good, wait until you hear what the next drink can do. While you're listening, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps our content reach more people. Number 1. Let's move on to another refreshing and energizing drink. Green apple and cucumber juice. Green apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help detoxify your body and regulate digestion. The natural sugars in apples provide a boost of energy, while the high fiber content keeps your digestive system in check. Cucumbers, on the other hand, are packed with water, which helps keep you hydrated and promotes healthy skin. This combination creates a hydrating, refreshing juice that not only gives you energy, but also supports your metabolism. Imagine drinking this juice first thing in the morning, feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the day. As you sip, your body is soaking up a mix of vitamins and minerals that promote heart health, improve skin elasticity, and keep you feeling light. But the benefits don't stop there. The antioxidants in green apples and cucumbers also help reduce inflammation in your body, preventing long-term damage from free radicals. If you've ever felt sluggish or bloated, this juice could be the key to resetting your system. Think of how much better you'll feel when your digestive system is working smoothly and your skin is glowing. When you start your day with a glass of this juice, you're nourishing yourself from the inside out. But it's not just about feeling good today. It's about creating long-lasting habits that support your health as you age. If you've been searching for a simple way to boost your energy levels and feel lighter, this juice is your answer. And the best part is, it's easy to make, refreshing, and can be enjoyed any time of day. Now, imagine feeling this energized every morning. Are you ready to make this drink a part of your routine? As you follow along, show us you're enjoying it. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So, as we've explored today, it's clear that simple, natural drinks can truly make a difference. From the energizing effects of warm lemon water to the powerful antioxidants in carrot and orange juice, the benefits are undeniable. Have you noticed any signs in your body, like feeling more tired or sluggish? Maybe you've been ignoring them, but now is the perfect time to take action. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself and making small changes that matter. These drinks are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, and the impact they have on your energy and health can be incredible. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to embrace life. It's all within your reach, and sometimes all it takes is one small step to get started. I encourage you to try these drinks and pay attention to how your body responds. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about, and let's spread the knowledge together. Drop a comment below. Tell me how you're going to add these healthy habits to your routine, or share a mantra that inspires you.